Well, the Falcon ran better than our microphones did.
Well, I got my son up here from Florida. This is Andrew, everybody. And this is one of the cars we got to get out of the way because we plan on getting another car in here to try to get ready to go on the power chair. So he's going to help me finish out what we got here. A vacuum line hooked up now. We're going to do not recommend this at all. So don't do nothing you ever see me do up here. So I'm just goofing off. But we're going to run us a hose in a gas can and see if we can start this thing. Earlier in the other video I had over there, I got it all cleaned up, got the gas tank out of it, all that stuff. So we're just going to run us a gas line on there before we get real carried away and make sure this thing's going to go at it.
She has a drinking problem, and we're a bad influence. See, I told you about the dang voiceover. I'm going to get better. Please hang in there with me. Hey, like that dryer ductwork I found at an estate sale to keep it from blowing on my new wall. I'm so disappointed in my audio here because you would have seen it. We were having a blast. We did get the thing running, and you'll hear it here in the next few seconds here. If you'll hang in there with me, the old thing actually was running pretty good. Smoked up my shop like crazy where it had been sitting all those years before it ever really ran.
You're probably right. So what was wrong? Right.
Now we can't turn it off, but yeah, right. It had reverse, huh? It's neutral. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I can't believe my mics went out on the other part of that video. Hey, it'll go 50. Did it stop? Yeah, it did. What?
So we're out here.
What we got?
Here's that bareback manifold.
Hey, like that kill switch I just unhooked that hot wire we had jumped across there. Hey, 2 for 1, we fumigated the shop while we were working on that thing. Goodness gracious.
All right, so we're calling it on the Project 65 now that we got it started. Too much for me to fool with right now, so I'm gonna put her on Marketplace and send her on down to the next home and get recreate my first car in here because I'm running out of time to get ready to go to the power chair in June. So anyway, now I know me and my son got it running. Hey, I apologize for the stupid audio. I don't know what happened again, but we're going working on it, and I appreciate you watching. We'll drag this thing out of here later.
Stupid mics. 1 minute they worked, next minute they didn't. I'll get it figured out. This technology junk beats all I ever seen. Wasn't paying attention to what I was doing, and right there just killed a really nice 65 grill. I was so aggravated.
Takes the way you think.
Well, I got it close to the shed before I gave up. Maybe I'll leave it there and it'll be easier to get on the trailer. Yeah, I know. I sure did. Sometimes you just got to put one project on the back burner to get one that you really, really want to do. So I'm going to be back on Recreate My First Car with both hands and feet, because I am going to try my best to have this car ready for us, me and my son, to drive on the Power Tour. It'll be like a 1,600-mile round trip. So I have got to get on with it. I plan on it. I'm going to try to have this thing done in May, to where I'll have a month to drive this thing around before we take off on that drive. So wish me luck, and don't worry about it. If I don't find a good home for the 65, I'll fix it once this thing's done.
Yep, shop looks a little different today. We got a different Falcon in here today. Yeah, got to like into April have this thing on its wheels and running. If we have a chance to drive it in June on a power tour, we'll see.